Good day everyone, I am Baclohan and today I'm going to explain my real-life problem solving with programming. Now my problem is, a parking facility needs a simple parking management system to monitor vehicles entering and exiting the parking lot. The system must use the following details for each vehicle: plate number, vehicle type, whether it's motorcycle, tricycle, car, or delivery van, time in and time out in military time, payment status whether it's parked or paid, and the program must have a payment rule for the first 3 hours is equals to 20 pesos, and for each succeeding hour is additional 10 pesos per hour. My programming logic used arrays, loops, and conditional statements. For the arrays, this will be used to store the necessary data that will be used by the program, such as the plate number, vehicle type, time in and time out, payment status, and price. For the loop, I used a do-while loop to keep the system running. This will be run until the user chooses to exit the program. For my conditional statements, I used if-else statement to determine the parking duration if it's whether in the first 3 hours or beyond. For the first 3 hours is 20 pesos, and for the succeeding hours beyond 3 hours is additional 10 pesos. And the vehicle will be marked as paid once the billing is completed. As for my flowchart, here is the this is the data flow on how will my program works. First, the program will start, then the program will initialize the necessary variables that will be used in keeping the program running. Then the program will show this display menu: add vehicle, check out, show vehicle list, show total earnings, and exit. And then the program will ask for the input choice that will be provided by the user. As for these conditionals, if it's option 1, the program will then ask for the plate number, the vehicle type, the time in, and it will save it to array. And it will loop back again to input choice. If it's false, it will go to option 2, which is it will input the plate number to check out. If the plate number exists within the stored data, it will then automatically calculate how much will the driver pay for the parking fee. And if it's false, it will say vehicle not found or already paid. If it's false again, it will go to option 3, in which the program will loop all the data stored in it and their vehicle types and their time in and time out and their status. If it's false once again, it will now go to option 4, in which it will display the total amount earned during that day. And if it's false again, option 5, it will automatically end the program. If it's not within these 5 options, the program will say invalid choice or try again. And now we will go to our program. So here is the program that I made. We put this clear buffer in order to fix the issue with spacing in the typing or displaying of these characters. And then the program int main it, and here we rename what kind of variable are we using and their types and their arrays here, such as shown. And then this is the loop, the do while, and then the program will automatically print this parking management system: add vehicle, check out, show vehicle list, show total earnings, exit. Then the user will input his or her choice below, then clear buffer to avoid the unnecessary spaces. And if it's choice 1, enter plate number, clear buffer again to avoid spaces. Then the user will input what kind of vehicle is it, and their necessary payments, then clear buffer, and then the motorcycle, it will be stored here, everything. And if it's not in here, it will say invalid type. As for the military time, it will ask for the what time did the vehicle entered, and it will automatically say vehicle entered successfully. And if it's choice 2, then it will ask for the vehicle, what time it checked out or exit. And we have a for loop again with a boolean statement in if. And if the vehicle is not there, it will say vehicle is not found or already paid. Or else it will ask for the timeout, and then the program will now calculate how much money will the driver pay, and then it will give the receipt of that said vehicle type, hours park, and the amount to pay. And if it's option 3, it will show the current vehicle list and their statuses, parked or paid. Then if it's 4, it will show the total sum of all earnings. And if it's 5, exit program. If it's else, anything else other than 1 to 5, invalid choice or try again. Now I will demonstrate the program. So we choose 1 for add vehicle and enter plate number, for example QWE1234, and the vehicle type, so for example this is a car, and enter time, let's say 11:56, and it will say vehicle added successfully. Now I want to add another vehicle, and its name and its plate number will be RTY3567, and this time this will be a motorcycle, and the timing will be 12:23, and vehicle added successfully. Now if I want to know what kind of vehicle are currently parked in at the moment, we'll try 3, and it will show everything here. And now what if this QWE1234 will already go out, so we type 2, sorry, then we enter the said plate number, then the time out will be let's say 1:45, then it will say how much money will that driver pay. And now let's check out another vehicle, and this time it will be RTY, what was it, 3567, then the time will be let's say 2:45, then it will automatically say 40 pesos and so on. And now I want to know how much money I earned today, so I'll type 4, and it will say 80 pesos. And now I want to exit the program, so I just have to type 5, and that's it. Now if I type let's say number 6, it will say invalid choice, try again. And that's it for my program. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.